Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to connect Fundbox to your bank account. As a small business owner who has gone through the process myself, I can tell you the single best and most straightforward method is by using their automated connection through a service like Plaid. This is what Fundbox and many other financial technology companies uses to securely link your bank. Trust me, it's far better than manually uploading documents. Here's the breakdown of why this is the preferred method and how it works based on my experience. Why use the automated connection? The main reason is speed and accuracy. Fundbox needs to see your transaction history to properly assess your business for a line of credit. It's faster for review. Instead of you spending time downloading and uploading months of bank statements, the automated connection gives Fundbox secure, read-only access to the data they need instantly. This means a quicker decision for you. I found out my credit limit within minutes. Because of this, it's more secure. Using Plaid means you aren't sending your sensitive bank documents over email or uploading them to multiple places. Your login credentials are not stored by Fundbox. The connection is encrypted and read-only. This gave me peace of mind. It stays connected. This connection is vital, as it allows Fundbox to perform future automated reviews to potentially increase your credit limit, and critically, it's a connection they use to send you funds when you draw and debit payments when they are due. The step-by-step process. Whether you are a new applicant or an existing user updating your info, the steps are very simple. Select your bank. In the Fundbox application or dashboard, you'll be prompted to connect your bank account. You'll see a list of banks. Simply search for and select the bank where you hold your primary business checking account. The Plaid window pops up. A new, secure pop-up window powered by Plaid will appear. It will ask for your permission to connect. Hit Continue. Log into your bank. You'll be temporarily redirected to your bank's secure login portal within the Plaid window. Log in using the same credentials you use for your bank's online banking portal. Select the account. If you have multiple accounts, like savings and checking, you will need to select the business checking account you want to link. This is the account where your funds will be sent and from where repayments will be debited. Confirmation. Once you select the account, you'll be redirected back to Fundbox, and you should see a confirmation that your bank is successfully connected. The data analysis usually begins immediately. If for some reason your bank isn't listed or the automated connection fails, Fundbox usually provides an alternative for a manual upload, but I strongly recommend trying the automated way first. It's a seamless experience designed to get you a funding decision as quickly as possible. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.